In this step-by-step video tutorial we are going to replace the heatsink. What do you need? A screwdriver, spudger, a container to put the screws in, spatula, thermal paste, a metal cleaner spray, wet wipes, and a microfiber cloth. The first step is to take out all the screws. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. Take the spudger and put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure on the hinge. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully lift up the bottom case. Disconnect the cables from the battery and the CMOS. Unscrew the screws that hold the heatsink in place. Carefully lift up the heatsink. It is now time to clean the CPU. To do this we first use a plastic spatula. Then use a wet wipe. Now spray some metal cleaner on a microfiber cloth and clean the last bit. Put a little thermal paste on the spatula and spread it evenly over the CPU. Make sure the whole CPU is covered. Install the new heatsink as shown. Put back the screws. Reconnect all the cables. Place back the bottom case. Make sure that the bottom case fits properly. The final step is to put back all the screws. Pay close attention when putting back the screws that hold the hinges, because they are larger than the other screws.